This is Trevin A. Jones with your nourishment to fulfill that swag attack. This past Saturday, SWAC championship game in Birmingham, Alabama officially closed out the 2009 Black College football season. Prairie View A&M outlasts Alabama A&M 30-24. Prairie View head coach Henry Frazier on winning the SWAC championship.
7-3 2 years ago, 9-1 last year, but we didn't win the championship. Then we're 9-1 this year, and we're West Division champs and SWAC champions.
No doubt, coach, but it wasn't easy in a game filled with big plays. Just ask Alabama A&M running back Ulysses Banks.
We are a team that make big plays, and that's exactly what we went out to do today. But unfortunately, the big plays, I guess, weren't good enough.
Now, I don't know about that, Mr. Banks. The Bulldogs and the Panthers traded the lead 7 times, and that says big plays were plenty good. It was the penalties, brother, the penalties. Ulysses did lead the Bulldogs ground game with 109 yards on 20 carries. Big ups to Mr. Banks, but it wasn't enough to overcome 13 Bulldog penalties for 112 yards. Then you add SWAC Offensive Player of the Year Prairie View's QB KJ Black to the mix, passing for 258 yards, no interceptions, and 3 touchdowns. Well, I'll just let Coach Frazier tell you about his quarterback.
KJ, I've been saying this for, I guess, 9 straight games now. He's played 9 football games this season, and he's been Player of the Week, Offense, or even Newcomer of the Week every single game. KJ is a real deal.
Meanwhile, on the other sideline, Coach Anthony Jones is proud of his troops and their effort.
We fought, kept fighting, and put up a heck of an effort against one of the better teams in the country.
Now that's class. Thanks, Coach Jones. And speaking of better teams in the country, the Panthers finished the season 9-1, and their only loss coming to New Mexico State fell short of the national championship as SBN named the South Carolina State Bulldogs, whose only loss was to South Carolina from the big and powerful SEC, and again in the FCS playoffs in the first round, as the 2009 National Black College champion.
You know, I've got to commend our kids and our coaching staff for the tremendous job they've done. Our administration has done a nice job of putting us in a position where we can go out and be successful.
South Carolina State head coach Buddy Pugh, whose Bulldogs finished with 23 first-place votes to beat out Prairie View's 17 first-place votes. Back to the SWAC before I go. Big ups to Christian Anthony, the junior defensive end for Grambling State, represented his Tiger Stripes very well as the SWAC Defensive Player of the Year. And then there's KJ Black, the Prairie View A&M QB, who had a phenomenal year, winning the SWAC Offensive Player of the Year to go along with the SWAC crown. That does it for the 2009 Black College football season. I'm Trevin A. Jones with your HBCU update. SWAC style. Happy holidays, and remember, the reason for this season is peace.